Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Welcome to the future. Samsung will reportedly release a Galaxy S25 Slim next year as a test for a potential S26 design. Samsung Galaxy S25 Slim to face off against iPhone 17 Slim in experimental new lineup. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. The latest word among South Korean smartphone industry insiders purports to corroborate other rumors concerning an impending shakeup for Samsung's flagship Galaxy S line. It is now believed to gain a new slim variant, the release of which might kill at least two birds with one stone for the company. 10 years ago, Samsung launched the Galaxy Alpha, a slender 6.7mm phone that would go on to inspire the Galaxy S6 design the next year. Korean publication ET News is quoting industry insiders who claim that the company is about to try something like that again. We are often said to be in a peak smartphone era, which can be taken to mean that new handsets are at a stage at which there are few truly substantial design upgrades left to be made and thus increasingly look largely the same. That might be why Apple is now believed to finally go for a new frontier of device appearance, with the introduction of the iPhone Air as part of the 17 series. The insiders say that Samsung will launch a slim version of one of the Galaxy S25 phones. Note that this will be a separate device that will launch later. The Galaxy S25 series is still expected early next year with a Vanilla, Plus and Ultra models. The slender device will come a few months later, similar to the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition. And just like it, the main focus will be on making the device thinner. It's not clear which of the three S25 models will serve as the base for the Galaxy S25 Slim, or whatever it is called. The insiders claim that this way Samsung can test the waters. How much demand is there for thin phones? And if it sees encouraging results, it will incorporate that into the Galaxy S26 design. We've already seen a report from the ELEC that Samsung will turn the Galaxy S25 FE into a slim model, and this ties into today's report. The FE models typically launch a few months after the main series. This helps prevent the S Fan Edition phones from cannibalizing sales of the S phones, something that is allegedly a concern with the Slim model too. Apple is also reported to be planning a Slim model for next year, to replace the struggling Plus model, which replaced the struggling Mini model. But are thinner phones what consumers really want? This is exactly what Samsung endeavors to find out before committing its bread-and-butter Galaxy S line to that choice. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.